Most people believe managing money is about saving, budgeting, and staying out of debt. But what if I told you that everything you've been taught about money is backward? Because the real secret isn't about cutting costs, it's about understanding control. The wealthy don't just manage money, they manage the system around money. And if you don't learn the game they're playing, you'll spend your whole life working for someone who already has. Money management hacks: the hidden habits that make or break your financial future. Section 1. Origins: how we learned money wrong. A century ago, money was simple. You earned it, you saved it, you spent it. There were no digital wallets, no credit cards. If you didn't have it, you couldn't buy it. But in 1950, one small invention changed everything. The Diners Club card, the world's first credit card, introduced the idea that you could spend tomorrow's money today. And with that, saving went out of style. Spending became the new status symbol. From that moment on, the financial world had a new goal: to turn you from a saver into a borrower. The education system never caught up. We still teach children how to do math, but not how to manage money in a world that profits from their confusion. Section 2. Rise: the spending machine. By the 1980s, credit had become a lifestyle. Banks discovered something powerful. If people saved, they made a little profit. But if people borrowed, they made fortunes. Car loans, student loans, home mortgages, all designed to keep you feeling rich, while quietly chaining you to repayment. At the same time, a different class of people was learning a different lesson. The wealthy realized money wasn't for spending, it was a tool to multiply. They bought assets, real estate, stocks, businesses, that paid them whether they worked or not. That's your first money management hack. Don't manage your paycheck, manage your cash flow, because your income is temporary. Your assets? They pay you forever. Section 3. Breaking point: the illusion of security. Then came 2008. The financial crisis destroyed the illusion of security. Jobs vanished, homes collapsed, savings evaporated. People thought they were financially stable, but they weren't. They didn't own wealth, they owed it. And while millions went bankrupt, banks were bailed out with taxpayer money. That was the moment the world saw the truth. The system isn't broken, it's built this way. Money management isn't just personal finance, it's survival in a system designed to keep you paying forever. Section 4. Fallout: why budgets fail. After every crash, we hear the same advice: make a budget, cut subscriptions, save 10% of your income. And yet, it doesn't work, because money isn't math, it's emotion. A study from Cambridge found that by age 7, children already form lifelong money habits. By adulthood, every purchase, every swipe, is emotional, not logical. That's why one of the biggest money management hacks isn't financial at all. It's emotional control. If you can control impulse, you can control spending. If you can control fear, you can control investing. Every crash in history, 1929, 2008, even 2020, was caused by one thing: human emotion. Section 5. Failed fixes: why the system doesn't want you free. The truth is, the system doesn't reward stability. Interest rates are low, inflation steals your savings, and wages rarely rise fast enough to keep up. So, savers lose. But borrowers, the smart ones, win. The rich borrow to buy assets that grow in value. They use cheap money to own real things. You save $10,000, inflation eats it. They borrow $1 million. Inflation makes it easier to repay. That's the second money management hack. Don't fear debt. Use it to build assets, not buy liabilities. The system was never built to help you retire rich. It was built to keep you working. Section 6. Modern parallels: the digital trap. In the digital age, money moves faster, and so do our mistakes. Apps make spending invisible. Buy now, pay later makes debt feel painless. Social media turns luxury into lifestyle goals. In 2024, household debt hit $60 trillion globally. The average American carries 4 credit cards and pays over $1,300 a year in interest. For nothing. But here's the twist. The same tools that trap most people can free the ones who understand them. The wealthy use automation to invest. They use apps to track cash flow, not spending. They buy digital assets, not digital illusions. Same tools, different mindset. Section 7. 3 takeaways. The real hacks. So what are the real money management hacks? Hack number 1. Manage cash flow, not income. You're not an employee, you're a business. Track where money comes from and where it goes. Grow streams, not just a salary. Hack number 2. Automate discipline. Willpower fails. Systems don't. Automate investments, savings, and bill payments. Let software protect you from your impulses. Hack number 3. Use smart debt. Debt for consumption traps you. Debt for investment frees you. If it makes you money, it's an asset. If it costs you money, it's a chain. Ending. Warning. Call to action. Money management isn't about cutting coffee, it's about changing consciousness. The system is designed to keep you consuming. But the moment you start thinking like an investor, you begin to step outside it. Remember, money doesn't buy freedom. Understanding does. So, build your knowledge, build your habits, and build a system that works for you, not against you. If this opened your eyes, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's ready to stop working for money and start making money work for them. Because the difference between being broke and being free is understanding.